Hello and welcome back. So today we will be finishing off our, what is even this, Bootstrap Templates and building your startup landing page topic. So we will be doing step 84, 85, 6 and 7. So this is 4 steps, but with the last 2 being ending pages, I'm pretty sure they won't take too long, so it should be alright. And then afterwards we will be moving on to CSS grids and layouts, and then career of a web developer, which both seem quite short. And then afterwards we'll go on to more complex topics. So we have actually done JavaScript, so we're going to do DOM manipulation, and then advanced JavaScript. That's going to be the longest one, it seems, for quite a while. And then yeah, it seems like then the next language we're actually going to be looking at is React JS and whatnot, but that's still a bit further ahead of us. So today we are just going to focus on finishing this topic off. So I'll watch the video and update you in what happens in it in a bit. See you. Hello and welcome back. So as you can see, I've been messing around a bit because everything that was in the video was just a bit different. So first of all, I went on to animated.css, and the teacher was able to actually download the file used, and I was looking at GitHub to find me to actually be able to download all the information that they use, but I wasn't able to find it. So then I was messing around with trying to find it, and didn't really work out. But then I realized that I could just add it to my website, so I did. So here it is. No, that's not it. Here it is. And then basically what this allows us to do is reference and utilize all of these different things that we can do. So for instance, we can have bounce out, and we can have bounce left, and then we can have shake, and we can do all of the above animations with a reference to the CSS. So if we wanted to do fade in, which looks like this, and we put that in the animation part of the class, and we save that and you refresh, you can see that it fades in. So that's very cool. And this is just like Bootstrap, and I'm pretty sure this one isn't using Bootstrap, but the next thing is actually using, I think, the Bootstrap developer tool, possibly, maybe. But basically they have their own library and source that you can use through here, and you can have access to them. And basically in this episode we just went over how we can utilize different other people's works that have already been done. So we're not reinventing the wheel. We can use different aspects of other people's work to make our lives a lot easier, and just not repeat everything that other people have already done. So this was the first part, and then we went on to this website, which is called Creative Tim, which doesn't seem to be wanting to work. So in here you can get all sorts of UI kits, templates and whatnot that you can actually use for your own website. So for instance, this is, which one looks best? This one looks quite good. £89, I know, but you can have a look at the live preview and this is what it looks like. These are all the things you can use and do with this UI kit, and all the possibilities that you can achieve through this kit and whatnot. But for us to try it out, we downloaded the free version, which is this one, and as you can see, this is from our actual files. So we have actually got this on our computer. This is just my material kit to just a little show off free demo basically, and this shows off all the different things you can do, and we can customize a website just from all of these things. So we can look up what this is, and we can yeah, there's a code. So we can be like, okay, so I wanted the primary button, so then how do I do the primary button? We have btn primary, and then this as a class, and then once we use this, then our button is going to look exactly like this primary button. And you can see we have a lot of options that we can do with all of the different available things to us, and it's quite neat, to be honest, that we can use works like this. So I'm quite happy with it, and that was basically it for this part. So let's get on to the next video and see what we learned then. See you in a bit. Okay, and we have finished the course, so let's just take this off. And basically, what have we learned? Well, first video, we're just going over all the amazing things we can actually, achieve with these free resources. So, how we can just have a website and we can edit it ourselves and use all the information from it. And now we can use all that power that we have with CSS and HTML to, create all this work. And obviously, at this point in time, I shouldn't have learned JavaScript yet, but also I can edit the JavaScript as well, in these downloadable resources, and I can do a lot of different modifications. And then what else? Here are all the resources that are quite useful and we can use. So we have free Bootstrap templates, which look really nice, to be honest. I quite like them. Look quite posh to be honest. And then we have, this just seems like the same, but this is the second one, this is the first one. And then we have this collection of free web, so HTML5 and CSS free templates. And then we have the animate CSS from just before, and then our lovely Creative Tim expensive templates. So all nice and cool. So basically that's it. We have done this section, and I'm really proud of us. We have gone through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 8, and then we have also done JavaScript, so that's 9. And I know there's still quite a bit to do, but I mean, still quite a lot of progress, and I'm quite happy with ourselves. So next episode will be on us starting CSS Grid and finding out what we can do with it. So this was fun. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, whatnot, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.